in October.
Yeah, 2019.
Yes, I started the course in October 2019, and I did a lot of reading, a lot of studying. I was always calling David to put me through this and that, and
Happy
I
to be
never
happy.
missed class. I never missed a class. Then a month later, to be honest, this was just within 4 weeks. A month later, I had my first interview, and I'm not lying about it. I've got no IT background. I had my first interview, and the same week I got the job. I had 5 job offers, which
Wow.
I told David. I said, David, what am
Wow.
I going to do here? Which one am I
Five
going to
job
pick?
offers.
Yes, I
You know,
had 5 offers.
that's quite interesting. I tell people that we've discovered a way that we can make you an expert within 4 to 6 weeks, but people don't really understand that. We found a way of learning, okay, and basically it's involving the student to actually participate from day one. And I believe you had a lot to do during your training.
Yes.
The test
Yeah.
cases, the test plan, execution test, bug reports,
Yeah.
the defect management system, working
Yeah.
with Jira, all of those things. So long as you are involved in it from day one, you got 5 jobs within 10 weeks. And
Yeah.